Welcome to my books tutorial video. In this video, we are going to demonstrate TDS payment. Go to the transaction and choose vendor payment at the bottom. On the vendor payment screen, select the Create Vendor Payment option. Pick your required contact to create TDS. Enter the amount you pay in the option called Amount. You see a screen without tax account and tax amount. Enable withholding tax to access tax account and tax amount. Choose TDS on tax account and update your TDS amount on the tax amount. Save the file. Save created vendor payment. Now you can view the payment made by choosing the created vendor name with the withholding tax. To view all your TDS tax values, go to Reports and choose the General Ledger option. On the General Ledger screen, scroll down to pick TDS GST. You can view all your updated TDS tax values on the screen.